Alright, it's snowing. Houston snow event, full force. I just pushed this thing out. It was inside. I pushed it all the way out just to get a cold start, if it even starts. We'll see. You can see the piece of wood. I was stopping it every like 2 feet while I was pushing it. And this thing looks sick. This is the new camera. This is an Osmo Pocket 3. I sold my GoPro and got this. Alright, let's try to cold start this thing. Like below freezing right now in Houston. It's warming up. What is it at? There it goes. Just started chopping. Getting warmed up. Suction cup mount that I got for this camera. Hit me up if you want the link. It's on Amazon. It's way cheaper on Amazon than TikTok. It's 8 a.m. on a snowy morning that everyone stayed home from work today, and I'm over here turning on a race car for fun. Hey, they could come talk to me about it if they got an issue. Look at that snow. You hear the fuel pumps? Hey, hit a like and comment and subscribe what y'all think about this camera. It has the gimbal on it, so it's super smooth. I really like it. This was a perfect day to try it out too. Let's get this thing back inside. I'm gonna drive in. I'm gonna put the suction cup mount on it. was fun. Got some good clips, good videos for TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. Here's my TikTok. Boom. Still snowing. All right, guys, I'm back inside. I got the heater on for the dogs. Chapo's here. Sit. He don't want to go. He don't want to stay in here. He wants to go outside. I'm gonna throw a little clip of him playing outside. Get him, Chapo. Get him. All right, come on. So, the main topic of this video, really the big change, is I got a new camera. So if you used to watch my videos, you would have seen that I had a GoPro 360 Max, and I didn't like it. I didn't know how to edit and stuff like that. So I got the Osmo Pocket 3. I got the one with the extra battery storage. I didn't get the combo, the creator combo, but I have this case that I had already. I already bought a wide lens, charger and stuff like that, and then I got the case for it and the regular extension so you can mount this to stuff. I have the big battery on it right now. It has better grip, but this camera's awesome. This whole video was filmed on this except for this part. I really like it. I really recommend it to anyone. It's really good, super good, super worth the money. I didn't spend too much just because I sold my GoPro to get this, but I would recommend this to someone even if you're buying it from zero. It's just really good, super high quality. You can download it straight to your phone right away. You don't have to download it to SD card or anything. Well, you have to have an SD card, but you don't have to like transfer it. Here's the battery pack extension and then just a regular extension. And there's the Osmo Pocket 3 in the case that it comes with. This case, I got it from my works website. Super nice, perfect for this. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the update to the channel. I have a camera now and I'm gonna start filming again. And I wanna get this channel up there this year. So we're gonna put in that work. Next step is to get the car painted. Trying to figure out who's gonna paint the car, just because I don't want it sitting outside for a long time at a shop. I wanna just take it and then paint it right away. So that's kind of making me wait just because no one wants to do that. But other than that, we're good. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Comment, like, and subscribe. Comment if y'all like the camera, if y'all like the footage. It was just a little cold start in this Houston snowstorm that we had today. I think today's like January 21st or something. But yeah, comment, like, and subscribe, guys. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good day. Peace.